This sit-in protest is organized to raise our voice against the gang rape of two Kuki women at B. Painom village, island block Saikul SC on 4th May 2023, which has surfaced on the social media, went viral since the last few days. This is not only the case. The two other women were staying at Infa at Konu Mamang on 5th May were also gang raped in Infa. This barbaric act of the Meiteis is condemnable in the most strongest terms by the section of the society. The government of India should take the strongest action on this heinous crime, which I call above heinous crime, which is very horrible to see this viral video. As a fellow of Kuki, as a woman, being a woman, I want justice. We want justice. If there is government in India, we want justice. This is the eye-opener for all of us to see how the dominant community of Meiteis were committing atrocities in the minorities of Kukis since the last 78 days. This is one of the reasons why we want separate from the valley is inevitable for us. With the tribal, with the women of tribal, here we are not safe under Manipur government. So please, Mother India, your daughter is weeping.
We want